All right, y'all. We about to boil some crabs today. We got a new house, as you can see. The set's gonna look a little different, baby. Bear with me now. So we got a half of these blue crabs, baby. We gonna boil them up, and I'm gonna show you how we do it. Man, bro, what's wrong with you, bro? Man, I just want a little crab on you, dog. Man, come on, man. Let's run this. All right, y'all. Put your 2 bags of ice. All right, y'all. Make sure before you boil your crabs, baby, you put them in some water with a couple of bags of ice. About 15 minutes, y'all, so they don't knock off their claws. All right, y'all, go up in there with your crab seasoning. Don't be scared now. All right, get y'all some onions, baby. Leave the skin on it, cut them in half, and go up in there with it. I'll go up in there with your lemon, squeeze it. Now go up in there with some celery. If you got some garlic, go up in there with your garlic too. We forgot to get it, baby. Go up in there with a bag of them little red potatoes, baby.
Did you wash them this time?
I didn't wash them. Now go ahead on and let that pot come to a rapid boil, baby. All right, y'all, we got that water to a rapid boil. Go up in there with them crabs. Now let them crabs come back to a rapid boil. Let them boil 15 minutes and let them soak for 45 minutes, baby. All right, y'all, they've been boiling about 15 minutes. Like I said, I just shut them off. Add your corn and your smoked sausage, baby. Go ahead on now, y'all, and cool that pot down, baby. So let's get these crabs out, baby. All right, y'all, check it out.